When I was growing up, it was during a pretty large portion of the space shuttle program. And as a kid, I was always watching on TV just these interviews on the space shuttle. And it always inspired me. I just really connected with those elements of human exploration and discovery. And I've always wanted to have a chance to work in that industry. So, maybe I'm not an astronaut myself, but I find great inspiration from the work and the science that they're doing. And I recognized that I was in a position to connect our business here at Barber-Nichols to a NASA program that would afford us those opportunities. And it was also important for me to share that excitement with our broader team so that we could go forward and accomplish something really cool together.
The spacesuits in use today have been around for about 40 years now, and they weren't originally intended to be used long duration on the space station. They were actually designed for shuttle missions where they could be serviced in between flights here on Earth. And it's just time to put all that work together into a new fleet of spacesuits.
At Barber-Nichols, we really pride ourselves on our company culture and on our ability to have effective teamwork. So it was natural for us to come together and look at the challenges this program presented and then work through logical process to get to the ideal solution.
Barber-Nichols has not just the capability to design the spacesuit fans, but also to manufacture, assemble, and test those fans. So a very large team of employees here at Barber-Nichols has had their hands in this project.
So once we began working on the program, there's an opportunity for more engagement with their team. And that's when things really start to take off. People are throwing around ideas, and we're really talking about the challenges we're trying to solve at the end of the day. We can get a stack of paperwork that has all the requirements in it, but having that understanding of what are those requirements addressing and what are the real challenges that we're trying to overcome is where Barber-Nichols really provides value. And for us, it's not just a fan. Every component in that system is critical. It's part of their entire life support system for the spacesuit.
These kinds of rotating machines have to be safe for use in a 100% oxygen environment. They have to be lightweight, and they have to be reliable. They are located in the portable life support system.
And in that backpack, real estate is pretty valuable. One critical element of the program was to maintain a very small size for the fans because they had to reside within their dedicated space within that backpack. What they're doing is providing the breathing air for the astronaut who will rely on them for extravehicular activity and even for a moonwalk in the future. Casey is a pretty extraordinary person, and I would say a very critical element of our success with the oxygen fans. She has experience from NASA and so understands that customer perspective and also the NASA processes. And by providing the level of detail and curiosity that she brought to the program, it was contagious across our whole business. And we've developed new engineering processes, and we even have some additional capabilities within our departments, as well as an entirely new set of roles at our business.
Working on the spacesuit fan has been the absolute highlight of my career here at Barber-Nichols. It's been an absolute privilege to bring the Barber-Nichols team along on this journey of contribution to our nation's spaceflight capability.
For Barber-Nichols, working through the oxygen fan development program has really pulled us together as a team. It's really evolved our company's capabilities and expertise. And I feel like now we're well positioned to support the next generation of space exploration. And that will be on new generation of spacecraft. It's going to be for an entirely new generation of astronauts. We've really just touched the tip of the iceberg, and there's just a vast universe awaiting us.